Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special treat for you. We're getting tinted window on our Tesla Model 3. Right now we're on autopilot, heading over to the destination. We're heading over to the tinted window place, which is actually just my daughter's house. I have a good friend that does tinted window. He's been doing it for many years here in the area of Miami, Homestead. And he does an excellent job. He did my last tinted window like about 7 years ago, and it's not faded. There's no bubbles or anything in it, and I would trust him to do my Tesla. Tesla is a really delicate car. You can't trust just anybody doing tinted window on your Tesla, so you have to have somebody who's done Tesla many times before you give it to them. So right now we're heading to the tinted window place on autopilot. See my friend here? He is mobile. He has everything you need, and we're talking about premium window tinting. He does the best, and my experience with him has been super awesome because he did one truck for me like about 7 years ago. I mentioned that earlier, and it's still like the first day, and he'll come and get everything ready right there at your house with no problems. You don't have to go nowhere. He comes to you. So we're starting the tinting on the Tesla. All right, before the tint, I wasn't really happy the way it looked. It doesn't look well without the tint, even though Tesla brings a little bit of tint in their glass, but it's not enough. You can see in everything. Since the car is white and we have all matte black all the way around, that theme all the way around, it's going to look much better with the tinted window and the windows there. So we're going to see the before and after in a few minutes, and we're just getting started here. See, this is one of the things I like. He covers everything up so you won't have nothing messed up anywhere. He takes care of every little details to make sure he gets it done right all the time. He uses Premium Tech Films, a signal-friendly, color-stable, non-reflective premium dyed film that is perfect for today's connected vehicles, sort of like the Teslas. Bristol eliminates electronic interference with a thicker, durable 2-ply film that comes in attractive, metal-free charcoal tone. Here are the specs for those of you who want the details on this film. so here we have the before tinting. There's no tint here yet, and I'm going to show you the after he's done here. All right guys, we're almost done here. All he's doing is cleaning up everything now, and that's something really important that you don't get everywhere. Somebody that comes and does the work, and after he's done, he's cleaning up everything he's done there. So here's the front strip, sides, the back we didn't do. I don't want to mess with this in the back here because a lot of people has a lot of complaint of them cracking, so I just left that one out completely. I just did the small one, two sides, and the front strip, and it looks amazing. He did an awesome job. This guy here is the #1 in Miami. #1. He comes to you. You don't even have to go anywhere. All you have to do is call him, make an appointment, and he'll be there that day with no problems. But it looks amazing. I love it. All right guys, he did an awesome job here, and if you need to call him, this is who you need to call right here. If you're in Miami area, Miami, Homestead, Hialeah, he'll be there. That's his number right there on the bottom, 786-205-3760. You call this guy. He's the #1, and he's done many Teslas before, and you're not going to go wrong with him because he's really meticulous and really accurate on everything he does. And it looks amazing. I'm super stoked and happy about it. It looks awesome. I'm not a window tint scientist, guru, or expert, but when it comes to either spending $200 on tints and all the way up to $1,000, I pay attention to the stats. And what I saw from premium tech window film versus 3M ceramic, the difference is not a whole lot. And the difference between the numbers and the percentages, it doesn't justify spending an extra $800 for tints. So for that reason, we chose premium tech window film. We are using 35% in the front windows, which is legal, and for the rear windows we used a 15%. This will give us a little darker tint in the rear windows for privacy. A few days later, under a hot sun, we have a big difference of about 10 to 12 degrees less than what we had before the tints. All right guys, bottom line is you can use whatever tint you want to use on your vehicle. In my case, I went this direction because saving $800 mean a lot to me. But if you want to spend $800, $1,000, $1,500 to do the whole car, that's totally up to you. But in my case, I think it makes sense saving the money and putting the money on something else for the moment. There'll be a follow-up video coming up soon, maybe several months down the line, so that way we can see the outcome of these tinted windows. Now, compared to the last ones that I put on my other truck, 7 years in, and it's still in perfect condition. Same type of tint that we used on the Tesla. So I don't know, it's up to you. If you want to spend an extra $1,000, that's up to you. So thank you so much for watching the video, and like I always say, get Tesla-tized and charge on, baby.